What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be seeing how to add a countdown timer in your PowerPoint presentation. So this helps you when you want the people presenting to you to take a break. So you're going to add this timer in a new slide that may be in the middle of all your presentation or anytime you want to take a break. So when you're done, you go to insert and you're going to be going to get add-ins. So you tap on that, and this works when you're online. So you just search for timer and it brings a number of timers here, and you can choose the one that appeases you. So there's some which are free, there's some which have additional purchases, so you may be careful when you're choosing and choose the one that you want. So you're going to be looking for one that is free, of course, and we shall be choosing that. So I am going to be choosing the one with break time. So you tap add and agree, so you continue and you have your timer, and this sets automatically to 10 minutes, but you can always change that to the time you want. So it has a various number of breaks that you can choose, and you can choose any of this. So I'm going to go with the T1, and I'm going to also be increasing that time to 15 minutes. So when you're done, you can just start and it starts the countdown, and when it's done, of course, it will just go to the next slide. So that is how you can easily set a countdown timer on your PowerPoint presentation slides. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like if you really got something from this video, and I would love to see you in the next video. So subscribe for more videos. Bye.